In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp Pricing Plans Overview. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to review plans, how to access the billing section, and how to confidently choose the plan that fits the way you and your team work. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the ClickUp website. If you already have an account, sign into your workspace. If you're brand new, you can create an account in just a few minutes, and the best part is you can start completely free. The free version is a great way to get familiar with the layout and core features before you consider upgrading, and you can follow along with everything we'll cover today using that account. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your workspace. From here, go to the main overview area of your team space. You should see your workspace name near the top of the screen. This is your central hub. Click it to reveal more options related to your workspace. If you have multiple team spaces, choose the one you actively use so your settings and billing reflect the right environment. Now look for the settings area, typically represented by a gear icon. Click that to open your workspace settings. This is where you manage all the important administrative pieces: members and permissions, templates, apps, and integrations, and of course, your plan details. If you're ever unsure you're in the right spot, you'll know you are when you see options like apps, settings, and templates grouped together in one consolidated panel. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page. Understanding where things live will make future changes much easier. Next, locate the billing section in the settings menu. Click Billing to open your account's subscription controls. This is the place where you can upgrade, downgrade, and review your current plan. It's also where you'll see your payment cycle, invoices, and any add-ons that might be available to you. Think of billing as your command center for anything related to plan level and charges. Inside billing, you'll see an option to upgrade. Click Upgrade to view the available packages and what each one includes. This is where ClickUp lays out the differences between tiers, from the free plan through more advanced options like business or enterprise. You'll find a clear breakdown of features, limits, and capabilities for each level, which makes it easier to align what's offered with what you need. As you review the packages, consider a few practical factors. First, think about your team size and collaboration style. If you're a solo user or a small team, the free or entry-level paid plans may provide everything you need, including task management, docs, and basic automations. Growing teams or more complex operations often benefit from higher tiers that unlock advanced automations, larger storage, enhanced permissions, and more granular admin controls. Second, match features to your workflows. If you rely on time tracking, goals, custom fields, or advanced reporting, confirm those features are included in your chosen plan. If you manage sensitive projects, pay attention to security and permissions options. If integrations are critical, check compatibility and limits so your external tools connect smoothly without hitting caps. Third, check usage limits and scalability. Some plans cap the number of views, automations, or storage. If you anticipate growth, choose a plan that provides headroom so you don't outgrow it quickly. It's often more cost-effective to select a tier that comfortably meets both your current needs and your near-term roadmap than to keep bouncing between levels. Fourth, review billing cycles. Many platforms offer discounts for annual billing, while monthly billing provides flexibility if your headcount or needs change seasonally. Decide which approach makes sense for your team's budget and stability. If you're experimenting, a monthly plan can be a good starting point. Once you're confident, annual billing can lock in savings. As you explore, use the plan comparison view on the upgrade page to see at a glance what each package comes with. This layout is designed to help you quickly identify which features appear at which tier, so you don't miss anything essential. Pay attention to any notes or tooltips that clarify limits or advanced capabilities. If something's unfamiliar, hover or click for more information. Those details help prevent surprises later. When you've identified the right plan, proceed with the on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. If you're upgrading, the changes typically apply to your workspace and all its members. So make sure you're selecting the plan you intend for your whole team. If you ever need to adjust later, you can return to the billing section to modify your plan or switch cycles. The same billing page is where you'll manage downgrades or remove add-ons if your requirements change. Before you finalize, it's smart to do a quick checklist. Confirm your team size. Confirm the must-have features like automations, permissions, and custom fields. And confirm your billing frequency. If your organization requires approvals, note the plan details so you can share a concise summary with stakeholders. That way, everyone understands the benefits you're getting for the cost. And that's the complete process. Open your ClickUp workspace. Head to your team space.